Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in DEPHEMEREMBER that's hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzel. I'm a day behind. I'm going to try to catch up. So I may end up with 2 of these videos today if I can get everything done. So the prompt for the 18th is plaid and polka dots, and I've got this plaid and I've got these polka dots. Now I went ahead and inked around this with vintage photo, and I've already inked the gold around my black page just to save us a little bit of time, but I've got some stuff to do with this, so I haven't inked it. And it also said plaid polka dots please touch, and I've got these felt Christmas ornaments stickers that was gifted to me. They're La Petites. I don't know how old they are. I guess I had mentioned once before a friend of mine quit scrapbooking and she gave me a bunch of stickers and stuff, and I have really been enjoying that. So I'm going to start off with getting my plaid down. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you had a good weekend. It's hard to believe, less than a week till Christmas. Time sure does pass. I've been enjoying my stove, although I haven't had a cooking video with it yet. I probably won't get back. I may do one that won't use my stove, but just a quick little video. But with Christmas and everything going, I just haven't had the chance to try out new recipes and such. And gosh, everything's so expensive that I've been kind of sticking with what I already plan, we like and plan on doing, and I've already done videos on those. So I'm hoping by the new year to really get back into that. Of course, y'all are here for paper crafting, not my cooking videos. Okay, so we have got my plaid down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to round the corners of this. And I'm going to run it through this cool little thing. If I can remember how to do it, I have to remind myself every time. But it just gives it that texture. Let's see. May have to hold it a little tighter. There we go. So now we've got that little, almost like a cardboard type texture. And now I'll ink around it. I am about halfway through the 7th Harry Potter, and I'm moving along in the Lisa Gardner. It's the 4th book of the D.D. Warren series. I think it's Live to Tell. I'm terrible with names. Okay. And let me add this down. Oops. My desk is on a slope, and it just drives me crazy. Everything wants to roll. Okay. Now I've got that down. And I'm going to trim the corners of this little angel. Really pretty, and I will ink around it. There have been some amazing things made during this challenge. I have really enjoyed watching the videos. I am behind on a lot. I've still got a lot of videos to watch. In the middle, and now I am just gonna put down these ornaments. got the metal, you've got the felt, the trim, so there's lots to touch there. Put that one there. I like it there. That's pretty. And let's see. I have got these little, I thought I had some bigger ones. I do. This will bring some texture also. Just gonna sporadically place those around. Kinda wished I'd put some cheesecloth underneath that. I didn't think about it. And I won't, maybe. Why your best ideas come when it's almost too late. Thankfully, it wasn't too late. That will give it more texture to touch and feel. Cut off just a little bit of that. It'd be okay, kind of move it to the side a little bit. Sometimes center is not the best place for something. So, I'm just gonna put that down and put back down this picture. That is much better. There we go. Now, I will go back to adding my half pearls. I really like it and how this turned out. Not all of the prompts that I have done has been Christmas related, but I do enjoy the ones it is Christmas. Alright, I like that. And last but not least, got to have the gold splatters. Y'all would think something's wrong with me if I didn't add gold splatters. Okay. really like how this turned out. I hope you do as well. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER or DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. And be sure and check out Luisa's and Barbara's channels. And until next time, bye y'all.